Our scientists and engineers have always managed to act kind of mysterious before coming up with their jaw-dropping ideas. They work in their league of shadows till they surprise us by making one of our sci-fi dreams that we're considering impossible true by unveiling it for us. Their surprise ideas that often catch us on our driveways have also been their concern to think about our transportation life and come up with some futuristic methods. The ideas mainly reduce transportation time and make us less road conscious through automated vehicles and go green. So today's video is nothing but introducing some of the plausible concepts of alternative traveling methods that our scientists have been working on. If your tech pioneer self were on a vacation for a while, this video would take you back to the track. Before getting to the video, please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. The era of EV, electric vehicles. The virus that zombifies everything it touches in the transportation world will be electric vehicles. Experts view it as a transformation that is always inevitable. Many countries are now pushing their public transportation means towards electrification, intending to reduce pollution caused by gridlock traffic. Countries like US, Chile, Brazil, and Colombia have already considered electronic transportation for the large picture. Although small in proportions, it's the place where action takes place in the realms of automobiles. Following the lead of Tesla's prophetic niche, companies like Audi, Jaguar, and Porsche have rendered their answers to their futuristic models. These car models are a combination of elegance and a revelation about their future views. Autonomous aerial vehicles. The future self of unmanned flying drones (AAVs) will take up public transportation in the near future. With successful demonstrations have already taken place, a cost-effective and large-scale production is in the next step in the process. These autonomous human carriers use vertical takeoff and landing called VTOL systems and can transport commuters through the sky. Uber has announced its entrance into the sector by 2023 in cooperation with NASA. Dubai is developing its autonomous aircraft called Volocopter. Moeller International has stepped in with its M400 as a replacement for public transit and cars. Taking advantage of the third dimension will serve us by giving geographical entrances to remote areas. These flying drones can be used in various sectors including search and rescue, cargo delivery, mobile hospital, and personal vehicle, and can assist us in disaster sites. Qatar has assigned its EHang 184 to be the first to set the mark as the world's first air taxi. It will be the mode of transport in the FIFA Cup 2022. EHang is a 5G connected flying drone controlled by a smart city command center. Although some of them still face concerns are building safety and durability at a reasonable cost for a large production, but it remains to be seen to what extent it will take us. Hyperloop, an advanced mode of long-haul transportation. The Hyperloop was envisioned by none other than the tech giant Elon Musk. The revolutionary concept was introduced with a view to reducing complexities in inner-city transportation and helping people to maintain a sustainable connection to their home cities. These long runs can connect cities, countries, and even continents. These inner capsules travel at 700 miles per hour inside a tube, which can be located above or below the ground. Hyperloop uses electromagnetic levitation, or maglev, for the fast travel by creating a near vacuum environment inside the tunnel. Virgin Hyperloop, currently located in Nevada, the test track is called DevLoop, and MadPlus Hyperloop TT is some successful working prototypes of the technology that are waiting for large-scale production. Hyperloop projects are getting more acceptance by the countries recently. Countries like the US, India, UK, Mexico, and Canada are now considering the project with the intention of a replacement for traditional means. The world of autonomous maglev has many advanced concepts in development, including cable cars, hybrid four-seaters with wings, and electric motorbikes, and they are planning on assigning the spaceflight Falcon 9 to get passengers around the globe fast. Delivery drones. Another major technological phenomenon that will replace traditional means is drones. Drones are increasingly useful in the logistics industry. These drones can transport food, groceries, medicines, parcels, various other products to your doorways faster by using shorter and direct routes. Drones have a very low operational charge, and their ability to reach remote areas such as jungles, hills, and harsh terrains make them more applicable. Multiple industries are leveraging their interests in the drone industry to bring innovation to the field and for faster mobility purposes. Continents like Asia, Africa, Oceans, Europe, and America are now adopting drones for their day-to-day activity. Gyroscope public transportation, stranding bus. Gyroscope buses are specially designed for uninterrupted travel. Instead of fixing bad driving during the rush hour, this tech model helps us elevate through the traffic while staying incorporated with the existing road. Gyroscopic buses remain independent from the below-going traffic jams. These buses elevate through the traffic in vertical order and will use high alert sensors to avoid confrontation with tunnels or other roads by going up and down. The buses can assist in different day-to-day matters, such as emergency transportation vehicles. Public transport can even be served as a luxury space. The gyroscopic buses move through pre-established lanes, and the controllable legs of the bus can rise and lower their height in times of close combat with other objects, allowing vehicles to avoid a collision. The prototypes of these enormous disc-shaped vehicles are fully functional and ready to build cities with them. The bus collects its energy from the solar panels mounted above its top. Seatings are arranged similar to subway and can carry a good number of people with them. Underground roads. So if you may be familiar with the idea of Elon Musk's new underground city road idea and may have thought about its insane practicality, the idea is to carry cars into a lower tunnel by a metal elevator and transport them to their assigned destination fast. The Musk's Boring Company recently won approval to build a 30-mile tunnel which works incorporated with 51 stations in Las Vegas. They considered this a milestone for their company and called their futuristic project Bloomberg. Their mission is to solve traffic problems, as they have stated, and work towards solving ever-growing traffic congestions of urban infrastructures. These multi-layered tunnels will bypass the traffic jams by providing them more space to it. Many countries have shown interest in projects to remedy their transport collapses. Lightweight vehicles. The electric era has played its part in reducing the acceleration of CO2 emissions. Scientists believe lightweight is the next step to go. Thermoplastic and carbon fiber composition in electric power supply are an innovation from collaboration. These innovative lightweight machines can gain more efficiency and will give higher performance. Studies show that reducing a vehicle's weight by 10% will improve the fuel efficiency by 6% or more. Replacement of materials like iron and steel with light materials such as magnesium aluminium alloy will attain this goal in the near future. Yes, the future is getting lighter. Hanging cities. The growing population and limited places have lifted our building spirit to grow up. The new technologies are now putting their heads into building a mega city of multiple interconnected vertical towers in the air, which will be their means of mobility and connectivity. City Airbus. City Airbus is a VTOL multicopter that can be expected to appear in our skies real soon. With an 80-kilometer range, and it can speed up to 120 kilometers per hour, and with an improved sound emission and optimized for hover and cruise control, the multicopter has a V-shaped tail section which can include more passengers. The bus has a noise-friendly design, which is 65 dB during flyover and below 70 dB during landing. Smart road. Roadways are the economy's veins and the critical elements to our future. Smart roads does not cover the lighting the roads but increasing safety elements and reducing pollution. The new tech wonder, the Internet of Things, makes transportation more intelligent through various methods. The installed IoT technologies analyze the day-to-day data for the improvement of road management to create less congested streets. The IoT collects its data with sensors, radars, and cameras.